So on this beautiful sunny day in Provence, I'm going to tell you why a carpenter's pencil is shaped like this. Reason number one, so it doesn't roll away on uneven or sloped surfaces. Normal pencil, carpenter's pencil. Reason two, and these are in no particular order, can be sharpened at either end or both ends at the same time, if that's what blows your hair back. Reason number three, the lead is much thicker than on a normal pencil, which means it's much stronger and it lasts a lot longer. Reason number four, the size of the pencil in metric, 15 millimeters by 7.5 millimeters. In imperial, 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch. This means that based on those measurements, this pencil can be used as a spacer either way for those exact dimensions. You might be working on spacing out decking boards or cladding or a number of other things. Perfect for that. And the fifth and last reason is this is a great scribing tool. So we know that's 15 millimeters and the lead's in the middle. That means the scribe will be half of that width, 7.5. So if you're running it along an uneven surface, the dimension from the bottom of the substrate to the line is half the width of the pencil, the same that way as well. So yeah, there's the 5 reasons that I know of why a carpenter's pencil is shaped like this and what it can be used for because of that reason. Anyway, I hope this helps someone, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Go well.